Hi, I wanted to say something about this video while it's playing. You'll see me pick up the retainer in my hand in a moment with my right hand. This is used if the doors do not line up flush. Right behind that retainer right now, if you're looking at it when it's over there, you'll see a little black behind the edge of it. That's because the door slid by a little further than it's supposed to when it was factory installed. It's always a ½ inch issue, actually only a ¼ inch issue, but that retainer is exactly a ½ inch fat, so it'll handle quite a bit of a gap. Most of the time, 70% of the time, it's not needed and it's trashed. It's a shame because that's one of the more expensive parts to the lock. Still, as I showed in the previous video, putting on the stick-on ones on the glass, the retainer was not needed on my testing doors because my doors line up flush. This was back 20 years ago when they still had people in this country that knew how to build a house. Today, you don't know what you're going to get. However, I can tell you this, if you want to be absolutely sure, I would, because it's just me, I like the screws down in the bottom. If somebody attacks your doors with a crowbar, it ain't going to matter what you got on there. They're going to bust it open. Locks only keep honest people honest. And you pry on those doors hard enough, I don't think the glass would break, but I've actually seen the aluminum framing around the glass break loose. And yeah, I guess you could peel those screws out of the hole too, but I've never seen it done in 45 years. Generally, just the sight of a Sid lock down in the bottom discourages burglars. It certainly discourages me when my customers are locked out, because the back door is usually how I get them in. Just a little bump on the bottom with a cat's paw and a little pull at the same time, and I open those doors right up. But if I see a Sid lock on there, it's time to drill a lock or pick one or the other. Got to go to work. So, yeah, these sold for 45 years like pancakes because they work. And up on the glass with a tiny lock in it, not a big one like I specially made mine for, only because that's the only one I had. Well, anything will work. A small one or even a curled up nail. But you don't want your kid to take it out, so put a padlock in it and do it right.